Well, first of all, you have to have the ability to move the power out of the area on the transmission lines. And the transmission system is pretty well congested. They were designed for the generators that were built a number of years ago, and to add new generation now usually requires an upgrade to transmission. There's a few other factors you need to consider. How close are you to the transmission line? For instance, to build 5 or 10 miles of interconnection line from your wind project to the local grid can be very expensive. Transmission itself, the line can cost anywhere from $300,000 to $400,000 per mile to build the line, and then if there's not a substation close by, you're talking somewhere in the neighborhood of $4 million for a substation just to interconnect at that point. I like to view transmission lines in an old analogy: is a glass half full or half empty? Well, engineers would tell you that glass is over-designed. They use the same principle when designing transmission systems. They design the transmission system for the generations and the loads that existed. So any new additions of generation will require an upgrade of the transmission system. Now, the transmission system today has been optimized and optimized again, and it's pretty well utilized. And during certain parts of the year, it's congested. You just can't add more generation during those times of the year without upgrading the system.